welcome. So today we will be learning what are rational numbers. So before starting rational numbers, we will understand कि ये numbers है क्या. So we all know, we have learned in numbers like whole numbers, integers, positive numbers, negative numbers. What are rational numbers? चलिए let's see what are rational numbers. So you are seeing a number line. अब ये number line why we are seeing, because in number line you have always seen कि one side is your positive and one side is your negative. But when you all have this positive and negative, but यहाँ पे rational numbers क्या है? We do not know. So that is what we will learning. We will learn in our today's video. So but what we will learn? So we saw that this is positive, this is negative, but you all have seen कि 4, 5, 3, 1, 0, -5. But what are those numbers? So we all know that these are your either natural numbers or if we count 0, then it is whole number, because 0 is your whole number and -5 is your integers because it's a negative. But what about when now if I ask you all, what about suppose 4 by 5, 1 by 6, 2 by 3. So but what are these numbers are called? So these numbers are called rational numbers. But how do we identify them that they are rational numbers? We will identify them that they are rational numbers by understanding that they are in the format of P by Q. So in this, ये P और Q क्या है? What is P and Q? Your P is your numerator. We all have studied in fraction, and Q is your denominator. But a condition है. So there is a condition, students, which we will have to understand, that your Q must not be equal to 0. But ये क्यों? But why Q आपका 0 नहीं होगा? Because Q will not be 0. Suppose if I write, students, 3 by 0. अब 0 है. एक simple सा example है कि suppose you have a pizza where there are 3 slices, 1, 2, and suppose one more slice is there. Here it has become 4. So suppose you have 4 slices of pizza, we can keep this as 3 plus 1, suppose 4 by 0. But in your room there are no friends और कोई नहीं है. So how will you divide? It is not possible. So that is the condition कि जब हम लोग बोलते हैं, we say that your Q should not be equal to 0. But what we will be learning in our next upcoming videos, we will learn about compare, students. Compare, but what we will compare? You will ask, sir, what we can compare? We can compare, suppose if I tell you that 1 and 3. You all can say that 3 is greater or 1 is small because it's very easy. But what about 4 by 5 and 1 by 3? So this is what we will learn in our upcoming videos of rational numbers. Thank you and hope to see you all in the next video where we will be learning Lots of amazing things.